Hi, today in this video we show you how to create a cute garland for fall with paper pumpkins. It's quite easy to make and then we will create a cute pumpkin to celebrate this fall. Okay, we will create first of all a template, so it will be more easy to create many pumpkins, and then we will need to draw on a piece of paper with a pencil. We will need to draw a sort of oval like these two. We will need to create a first bigger oval. It doesn't be perfect because when you will cut your oval you can adjust your creation. Okay, and then we will create another one smaller. Okay, now with a pair of scissors we will cut our two ovals in this way. And you will use this as your template. Okay, now we will put our template here on top of our piece of paper, and with a pair of scissors we will cut the first part of our pumpkin. So you will have a template and it will be more easy to create many pumpkins if you want to create a long garland. Okay, and now the other part, that will be this part. Okay, voila. Okay, now we will need to with the if you have a pen with glitter, we will need to trace around our borders, but if you don't have anything like this, you can use also a glitter glue. Okay, we will start to trace around. Okay, now we will need to put our pumpkin on another piece of paper in order to do this, to trace around with your glitter pen. We will trace all the border. Okay, voila, and then we will do the same here. So we will have this glitter effect on our pumpkin, and it's quite nice. Okay, voila, our two finished part. Now we will glue them together in this way. We will need to glue this on the other part. Better to use, if you can, a glue in this way. Okay, it's more easy. Voila, put it on the center. Voila, here our first part of the pumpkin. Now we will need to create this part. Here the template that I made before. In this, we will need in this case to trace something like this, and then cut with your pair of scissors. And the same here, we will create another one, because this will be our template. Voila. Now before gluing this part, we will need to create these two pieces in green. We will need a piece of paper in green. Now here I created this in this way without any template. You will need something. You will need to create something rounded in this way. And if you have a circle punch, you can cut a circle and then cut this kind of form. Now we will need to round our final part, and then we will glue this to our pumpkin in this way, or better in this way, I think. Yeah, I prefer in this way. Okay, now with the same glue, voila. Okay, and now we will need to create another part. I made it before, so you can round it this and then glue this part. Okay, voila. Okay, and now we will need to glue this part together in order to finish our pumpkin. Okay, voila. Now with your finger you can do in this way around, if you have a glitter pen, because the glitter will goes on all the pumpkin, so it will be more sparkling. Now you will need a mini peg, and then with your mini peg you can hang your pumpkin to the fishing line. Quite easy. Voila. Here. Voila. Here our super cute fall garland. It's quite nice, I think. Voila. And then you can hang this garland everywhere. And if you want, you can also create this pumpkin bigger, with a big template, and then you can create only one pumpkin in order to hang it to your door. Okay, I hope you will enjoy this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like my video, and see you next time with a new paper creation. Bye bye.